Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can see your chat history on Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chat section, people, and right here you're going to find stories. So right now, I'm going to go back to chats. Here in the chat section, you're going to find all of your conversations. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of your history, all of the messages that you have. So basically, guys, if you don't find your the messages you're looking for right here, you might have been archived the message or the conversation. So basically, guys, if you want to see your archived conversations, just go to the top left corner, click on this little sandwich icon. Then you're gonna be right here. Here you're gonna find your chat, marketplace, message requests, and your archive. Right here in the top, you're gonna find your settings icon or this little gear icon, and this will take you here to your settings. Go ahead and scroll a little bit down. Then right here, you're gonna find the option to turn on or turn off the chat heads. And here you're gonna find the option to manage your account. Just go back, click on archive right here, and here you're gonna find all of your archived or your hidden messages. So basically, guys, if you didn't find a conversation that you're looking for, just go ahead and check your archived messages. You might find it right here. So right now, I'm gonna go back to chats, and this is where you can find most of your messages. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.